Hello, what's going on? It's Ayu here, and welcome to the review video of CB Traffic Bots. So, this particular product will help you get started as an affiliate and earn 6 into traffic pools and get you set up in just 4 clicks. When all you have to do buy it, all you have to do is just set up your ClickBank account and just set up a few things, and then you're ready to go. In this particular product, you'll be getting new 4-click cloud-based app, get free traffic, generate CB sales, become a super affiliate, 16 to done for your campaign, so you already get 60 done for your campaigns, 6 into secret traffic sources, get free traffic to your websites, work with any affiliate link, step-by-step training and videos. This particular product is a two-way. It's two-way software. The first one is the first module is the one that offers you training and step-by-step tutorials. The second one is the software where you'll get the real-time evaluation of the views of the sales that you have done and all the click-throughs and everything. You'll get to see it on real time, and the sale you have generated and the number of people you have reached through this product and everything. And it also contains the done for you campaigns right there. So stick with me through the last of the video till I explain you more about this product, as I explain it to you more in detail about it. If you're interested in this product, and if you are interested in getting paid by commissions for selling others products or by promoting others products, click on the link on my description down below. I have linked the I have just mentioned the link of my bonuses and all the vendor bonuses. Along with this product, I'm also offering a bunch of custom bonuses, so if you're interested in them, there is a link mentioned down in my YouTube video. It is down in the description box, so you can click on it and just go through my bonuses. I'll also be walking you through to my bonuses and what this product is all about in more detail about it. So stick with me and let's get started. So here's a small video on the sales page that I want to show you people. I found it very interesting. You're just 4 clicks away from getting your affiliate link in front of 6 secret traffics. All you need to do is add your ClickBank nickname once. So all you need to do is just link your ClickBank account, then set up some things. There will be some sort of the things that you will need to set up in order to get started. Set those up, and it takes as little as 60 seconds, and it is done. It is done in almost 60 seconds. You have added your link, so you're ready to go. So here he is explaining you, Chris is actually explaining you how he made daily commissions with this product, and up to thousands to thousands dollars from this particular product and this particular niche software. So grab this product. I guess it will be very beneficial for you all. In fact, many thousands of affiliates out there and many thousands of people out there like us are earning commissions from it. It will teach you how to choose a good affiliate product. It will have done for you campaigns. It's no wonder new affiliates don't have the time or the cash to make daily profits. Yeah, it's right. Until this software. This particular software is inaccessible on any of the devices that you log in. It's compatible with each and every device. Everything to make ClickBank commission is done for you. Everything you need to do, you just need to just put your ClickBank nickname right there, and it is on autopilot. It does everything for you. It's an amazing product. Now let's talk about the bonuses that I am actually offering you. So this special bonus page comes down at 11:59 p.m. EST on Thursday, September 12th. So this particular bonus page and all my bonuses will vanish on 12th of September, which is I don't want something to happen. So grab this product with all my bonuses. 2 days left. Click on any of the yellow buttons right here and on my bonus page, and you will be redirected to the sales page from where you can actually make this purchase by clicking on click here to get started now. Once you buy this product, you will be automatically given all my bonuses and all the vendor bonuses to you. Go to your Warrior Plus account, hover over your name, and you will go to the product that says CB Traffic Bots. There you will see access vendor bonuses, access affiliate bonuses. Click on this little blue button right here, and you'll be able to access all my bonuses, and the vendor bonuses will be automatically given to you. So one thing I want to make it clear to you, even if you pick the front end price that is only $17, all my bonuses are still available to you. You will get the vendor bonuses too. So even if you pick the front end price, the bonuses are still available to you. It's nothing like you need to just buy the upsells, any of the upsells to get my bonuses. My bonuses are still available to you even if you get the front end price. So let's talk about the bonuses that I'm offering you. I'll reach to you in the upsells later on. The first bonus is how to rank YouTube videos. So in this particular, once you start promoting and once you start earning commissions, you're all set up with your product with the CB Traffic Bots. You can also promote the product. You can actually also start earning commissions from YouTube, and that's exactly what I'm doing right now. And trust me, I have been able to generate like $100 per day. Yeah. So in this particular tutorial, I'll be showing you how to actually rank your YouTube videos. If you search a YouTube video with my name, you'll actually see them on top 3. Not one, but at least on the top 3 or top 5 of the videos, you'll find me there. So in this particular tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to actually rank your YouTube videos. It has all the strategies and breakthrough of the algorithms of the YouTube. The second bonus tutorial is get access to Fugo Breakout. In this particular product is an exclusive product. This product will give you more access to more traffic, so it has strategies that will help you get access to even more traffic. Apart from what CB Traffic Bots is offering you, you'll get access to many of the other. You can actually just copy paste your link here and the traffic will be coming through to you. Next bonus is get resale rights of 20 products for free. So I'm actually offering you 20 of the products that I have personally bought them. I have bought the resale rights and I'm giving it to you for free. Even if you pick the front end price, that is only $17. These products in total cost more than $300, and I am giving to you it for free. So I don't want you to lose this opportunity. And the last bonus is all the vendor bonuses. So there are a ton of vendor bonuses that the vendor is offering you. So click on any of the yellow buttons as of 12th September before this page gets expired and before all my bonuses get vanished. Click on any of the yellow buttons right here. Go to the sales page. I have already shown you the video. You can just see it more. It's up like 10 minutes, not even, just more than half an hour. It's less than half an hour. Hurry up, the price rises and the price is also rising, and the prices goes up in each 60 minutes. So grab this product before it just passes off the limit of $20 or it gets high to up to $47 or $27, because it's an amazing product. So there will be many people out there who are just getting to buy it, so it's actually increasing the sales. So once the product actually is also offering you a discount of $3. I mean, once you just land on the sales page, the first thing it shows is get a discount of $3 additional to it, so you'll get that discount too. So click on the button right here, make this purchase, get all my bonuses, get all my exclusive bonuses and all the vendor bonuses, and start earning money online. This is actually what the members area looks like once you have set it up all, and once you have started, once you have bought it, once you are once you are ready to do, you can actually see campaigns, promote, analytics, social accounts. You can actually link your social accounts here. Training videos, you will actually get training videos, step-by-step tutorials here. Campaigns, it will show you all the campaigns that you are running and whatever campaigns you are going through. Analytics, it It is a real-time analytics that shows you how many traffic was there in your particular product and how much you actually made out of it. It will show you real-time access, how many clicks were there, how many click-through rate, what were the views, how many visitors came through to your website, what was the traffic that you generated from this particular product. It's an amazing package of just a product which will help you to start earning money online and get to earn commissions from ClickBank. You'll be a pro in earning commissions on ClickBank. You just need to add your ClickBank nickname in this, you set up your ClickBank account and start earning money from it. You don't need to do anything because it is offering you up to 16 to done for you campaigns and many more things. Now let's talk about the upsells. The front end is only $17. I'm again repeating, it's only $17 and the price is going high, reaching up every 60 minutes. So hurry up before it just passes off $20 or $30. Upsell number one is unlimited edition, that is $29. Upgrade to launch unlimited campaigns for unlimited traffic or affiliate commissions. So in this particular campaign, you'll be getting access to unlimited campaigns. You'll get unlimited done for your campaigns. Upsell number two is autopilot edition, that is $39. Activate 16 to affiliate programs per day and over 1500 campaign instantly preloaded. So you will get to activate 16 to affiliate programs. You can also earn from affiliate marketing. Upsell number three is done for you edition. Let my elite team set up a done for you site for you. All you need is ClickBank ID. Once you're set up with your ClickBank ID, if you buy the upsell number three, that is done for you edition. So his team, the vendor's team, the vendor who is offering this product, they will set up a website for you. They will build a website for you and just deliver it to you. All you need to do is have a ClickBank ID in this product, of course. Upsell number four is reseller edition. So you're getting a reseller edition. You can actually sell this whole product as your own if you're interested in this product. If you see that this will get you that it will get you a good amount of commissions, earn 100% across the entire funnel selling the top selling warrior offer as it was your own. Sell this as it was your own. Upsell number five is mega bundle edition. Get access to an insane 37 software tools that cost me over $300 to build. So the vendor is offering you the insane 37 software tools which costs him $300. Even my bonuses that I'm offering you, the resale rights, they cost me over $300. They are 20 products. You are getting it for free just by paying $17. So here are the key benefits you may be interested in getting. This app generates commissions and free traffic. 16 to run for you ClickBank affiliate campaigns. As I've already told you, it gives you 16 to done for you ClickBank affiliate campaigns. Get free traffic from 6 into viral buyer traffic sources. So all these buyers are genuine and genuine people out there. It helps you to reach people, to reach the public out there and get you traffic and get people engaged with you and buy a product for you, buy product from you, and as a result you get the commissions. If someone buys it from your link or via your ClickBank ID, you will get the commissions for it. Includes training, $10K of bonus tools and more. It offers a lot of bonuses along with the vendor bonuses. So buy this product now, get started up and start earning online. I told you many affiliates out there are earning money from this particular method, and you're getting it and done for you. They are just doing everything by themselves, but in this particular product you're getting done for you. Buy this product before the prices shoot and before all my bonuses vanish and the timer sets to 0, which is something very sad. So buy this product. I have linked my bonus offers in the description of this particular video. Click on the link and go through to my bonus page. Just go through my bonuses. Click on any of the yellow buttons right here and you'll be redirected to the sales page. Go to the sales page on your own time. I'm not gonna show you a whole sales page in this video. Go through my bonuses, and once you're satisfied enough with the product, buy this product. And thanks for watching this video and sparing the time